The future of gaming is here with the Meta Quest 3S 128GB mixed reality headset. This all-in-one gaming console brings virtual and mixed reality together, delivering unreal experiences right from your living room. One all-in-one console, no PC or console needed. The Meta Quest 3S is a standalone device with 128 GB storage, giving you the freedom to play anytime, anywhere. 2. Immersive mixed reality. Seamlessly blend your physical and virtual worlds. Experience true mixed reality where digital objects interact naturally with your real space. 3. High-performance gaming. Powered by advanced technology, the Quest 3S ensures smooth gameplay, realistic visuals, and low latency, making every game an adventure. 4. Ultra-lightweight design, ergonomically designed for comfort during extended gaming sessions. 5. Stunning visuals. Enjoy breathtaking graphics with crystal-clear resolution, making every scene feel lifelike. 6. Intuitive controls. The included hand-tracking controllers offer precise movement and tactile feedback, bringing your actions to life. 7. Access to a massive game library. Explore hundreds of VR and mixed reality games, from action-packed adventures to creative experiences. Unreal experiences await. Set up the Meta Quest 3S with its simple, user-friendly interface. Dive into games like never before with unreal immersive gameplay. Stream your sessions or share the excitement with friends in real time. Who is it for? Gamers looking to level up their experience. Creators who want to explore virtual worlds for work and play. Tech enthusiasts eager to embrace the future of mixed reality. Why you'll love it. The Meta Quest 3S redefines gaming by merging virtual and real worlds with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're battling zombies, building virtual cities, or exploring new realities, this device delivers unmatched versatility and excitement. Get ready to immerse yourself. With the Meta Quest 3S, gaming is no longer confined to screens, it's an experience.